2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.